Day 6 of Inktober, and today's prompt is rodent. While searching what a rodent is, I realized that we have seen so many rodents around, right? Rats, mice, squirrels. Actually, a rodent means an animal which has got two front teeth which are sharp enough. So, in this drawing, I have not actually shown the front teeth because I wanted it to look kind of cute. This is a much more from my imagination than from a reference, so please do not think that I have some kind of a reference and it doesn't look like that. So it's a rodent for sure, and sketched with ink. For a more larger approach of how to draw animals, you can watch a tutorial of mine that I've recently uploaded. I will put a card of it. The tutorial is of how to draw a dog. I did it as a commission work, and the friend of mine who had given me that commission work was pretty happy because the dog looked like her own dog. So coming back to this drawing, as I have done for the previous 5 days now, I've used only ink, no pencil sketches, no under drawings, and I think even in this one I have been able to achieve the same. And for the future, remaining around 24 now sketches, I think I will be able to do it. Thanks to your support, I have been getting so much huge support for the last 5 days, for Inktober especially. I have always got your support for all my drawings. Thanks for all of the support that encourages me every day. But this Inktober is being very special, so thank you guys. Thanks for your support. Keep supporting me. I will be delivering every day. And for the rest part of the video, please be with the music and check out the final drawing. I'll see you tomorrow again. Till then, bye bye.